Gurukul means, the literal meaning of the Gurukul is Guru's home. Please understand, in the Hindu tradition, family is the nucleus. As long as the family system is alive, we will stand back. We will come back. Because Sanatana Hindu Dharma values are transferred through the family tradition. I wanted to tell this to all you guys. As much as possible, please live as large joint families. Either become a sannyasi, be in the Gurukul, which is large joint family of Gurukul, or live as much as possible. It depends on your heart. How many people your heart can accommodate without judging.
What I feel is in education centric, like there more education happens than like just a teacher coming to the class and just writing on the blackboard and you're not getting anything from the blackboard. So what I feel is when it's like education centric, it's more about education, how much you're learning, what are you going to learn, and rather than like having hatred towards the teacher or like hating the whole class.
Adding the point, what I understand is the difference between being education centric and being teacher centric is like how Swami explained. Like when you're education centric, the whole context will just about like more and more of reinvention and more and more of education to happen. Where even whatever the teacher might be knowing, the teacher will just provide the basic framework, but the student will do everything else. The student will be allowed to explore himself in different dimensions. Whereas when it is teacher centric, it's like teacher being the dominant one and the student is like bound and restricted to know only whatever the teacher knows, like how the outer world education system is right now. Whereas like in the Gurukul system, the teachers just provide like the basics and all, and the students are allowed to explore into different dimensions of themselves. So this is what I understand as the difference between being education centric and being teacher centric.
I have a question. Swamiji told in today morning satsang that the more people there are, the Dharma will be kept alive. Can someone explain me how?
I think a point. What I feel is like when more people are there, like for example, our satsanga and Gurukul, like there's no inauthenticity which is like in here because each one of us catches each other and we hold a space of the right context to happen in Gurukul. So what I feel is the more people are there, when more people are there, like for example, only if you are there, like you may think, if you wake up in the morning, you may think, oh, why should I go to yoga in the morning? But if you have satsanga around you, they will enrich you and they will make sure you're coming to yoga. So what I feel is that when you have satsanga around you, the satsanga itself will make sure that you're authentic and keep the context and dharma alive.
Shiva. 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 Welcome home to experience love current of Mahadeva. This city is just DNA of physical expression of Hinduism. From your side, nothing needs to be done other than being here. Simple truth straight away.